Hi everyone, this is Izzy here again. Let me flip the camera around. Okay, I don't know how this is going to come out because my phone broke, and if I use the front-facing camera, then there's no sound. So I have to do it this way by flipping the phone around. Anyways, with no further ado, let me just explain to you what I'm going to be doing here. Okay, so getting back to it. This is the refrigerator in our kitchen. I don't know why the hell it's so zoomed up. But anyways, this is the refrigerator in the kitchen. Big refrigerator we have here. And the repair that I'm going to be doing today is, I don't know if you hear it, but right over here, well, let me take this off. This is going to be hard to do with one hand, but anyway, this comes off. Okay, hold on a second. This comes off, and then this comes off, like that. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Okay, and then over here, these are the coils for the refrigerator. This is what they call a top-mounted compressor unit. Okay, so instead of having everything in the back or underneath, it's up at the top. So basically, I cleaned this out the other night. It was all full of dust and stuff. I cleaned it out as best as I could. Problem is it didn't take care of the problem. The problem that I'm having is in here, behind this box, there's the compressor. And the compressor has what they call a startup relay. And the relay must be going bad because when the refrigerator kicks on, you start hearing a clicking noise, like a click, 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 like that. On and off, on and off. And that's a good indication that that's bad. So I'm going to go ahead and take the screws off now to get in there to show you guys what I'm really talking about. So I'll come back to this when I have the this whole assembly out. Okay. Okay, here I'm back, and I took the you can see I took the grill out. And there's this box. I got to take this box out of the way. Two screws, there's one here and one there that hold this box. I have to get that out of the way. But more importantly, right there is the power supplies. Anytime you do any kind of work on any of this equipment, make sure you pull the plug out, lay it down there so you're not working with live voltage. Remember, always safety first. If you look right here, see where it says failure to follow these instructions can result in electrical shock or personal injury. When they talk about personal injury, they're talking about death is what they're talking about in a very nice way. Okay, let me continue. I'll come back. Okay, continuing on. So we come to this box, and now this box is 3 screws. There's one screw here. There's one screw on the other side, and then there's one little clamp right over here. You just loosen this up and move the clamp out of the way. Once you do that, then you take this wire, basically move this wire out of the way. Okay, I already had taken the screws out, so you go like this. Now back here, let me turn the light on. Back here, there's a right there, I don't know if you see it, right there, there's that green ground wire. I'm not going to disconnect it because I'm getting to that box right here. So I'm going to show you. You take this, you lay it down basically. Okay, there. The thing popped off just now. Anyways, there's a little cover, which is this cover right here. Let me get this cover. Okay, this little cover. This cover basically covers all that up, okay? Okay, what we're replacing is... Oh, wonderful. Okay, so let's redo this. So basically, no, now I see what it is. And this is live, by the way. This is the first time I'm taking it apart. Yeah, so now I see. Usually it's mounted on the compressor. This one, it's not. This one, unfortunately, goes inside here into this box. So I'm going to have to now put the phone down, get the number, and find out, do a little research to see what that box and what's inside that box. Okay, so let me put the phone down and I'll get back to you guys. Okay. Okay, so after taking back cover off here, which has got a little bit of a sealant, like, you know, like some kind of a plastic coat. Anyways, you peel it away. But anyways, I went inside and this is what I find. Okay, so basically I'm gonna put the phone down here. But this wire right here is the wire. If you follow this wire, this is the wire that goes into the compressor. And then right here, this wire goes into the compressor and clips onto this board. So now the next step, believe it or not, is to take this number. Okay, we take this number. I'm going to call it in and find out if I can get each individual part, or is it a matter of just replacing the whole box. Either way, I have to take care of it because the clicking noise is driving me crazy, and eventually it will burn up the compressor. Well, and once that happens, then the refrigerator becomes useless. Okay, so I'm putting the phone down now. If you have any comments or any comments or any suggestions, leave them down below. And then this will be part 1, and then when I investigate, I'll get back and make another video of the reassembly, and we'll call it part 2. Okay, take care, have a great day. Bye.